Introducing the Radiomaster GX12 Radio Controller, the next-level innovation every RC pilot has been waiting for. Blending the power of ExpressLRS Gemini XROSSBAND (GMX) technology with the trusted performance of EdgeTX, the GX12 is designed to push the boundaries of range, reliability, and precision. Dual-band transmission allows the GX12 to simultaneously operate on both 2.4 GHz and 915 MHz frequencies, offering unbeatable interference rejection and maximizing flight stability like never before. Thanks to the integrated folding dual-band antennas, pilots enjoy clean portability and full support for both classic ExpressLRS receivers and the new generation of Gemini XROSSBAND receivers. Built for ultimate customization, the GX12 features removable switch panels, DIY SMA ports for personalized antenna setups, and foldable gimbal sticks that make storage and transport effortless. Inside, the GX01 1000Hz CNC aluminum 3D digital Hall gimbals deliver mind-blowing precision and responsiveness, making every control input smoother and more accurate. Forget about external storage hassles, the GX12 comes with 512 MB of internal flash storage, eliminating the need for TF cards. One USB-C port handles everything: charging, simulator connections, firmware updates, and memory access. Personalization meets practicality with individually programmable 6-position switches, SA or SD switches, and customizable RGB lighting for a unique and intuitive control experience. Plus, the GX12's advanced cooling system, hydrophobic PCB nano-coating, and rugged construction mean it's built to withstand harsh environments, from blazing heat to damp, humid climates. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a competitive FPV racer, the GX12 sets a new standard for what a radio controller can be. It's not just a controller. It's your key to unlocking a whole new level of RC freedom and performance. Key features: Gemini XROSSBAND Dual 1W transmitters, 2.4 GHz plus 900 MHz dual-band operation for unparalleled range. Integrated folding dual-band antennas, sleek design, maximum portability. GX01 3D digital CNC aluminum gimbals, 1000 Hz ultra-precise, EdgeTX synced performance. Customizable switch panels and DIY SMA ports, tailor your controller exactly how you like it. 512 MB internal flash storage, no more TF cards needed. USB-C smart charging and data sync, easy connection, seamless updates. Individually programmable 6-position and SA/SD switches, versatile and intuitive control options. Customizable RGB indicators, stay informed and stylish at a glance. Efficient cooling system, dual transmitters with optimized heat management. Extreme ready build, hydrophobic nano-coating and rugged construction. Package includes GX12 Radio Controller, Signature Carry Case, 18,650 battery tray, 2 replacement switch panels, USB Type-C cable, screen protector, 1.5 mm hex wrench, for low-tension gimbal springs, 2-position switch, momentary switch, Radiomaster sticker set, GX12 manual. If you're serious about RC flying, the GX12 radio controller is the powerhouse you need. With industry-first dual-band Gemini XROSSBAND support, CNC 1000Hz gimbals, and endless customization, the GX12 doesn't just meet modern RC demands, it redefines them. Ready to upgrade? The GX12 is your ticket to the next generation of radio control.